And this is really good, right? Another feature, in a future video, what I'm going to use is go over iTunes, right? So imagine, and here's the use case. Imagine you have you're using Azure, and you're doing Office 365, and you've hired on 2 contractors, and these 2 contractors are working with you, and your company's small, and you have contractors, and you want to be able to give these contractors some used laptops so they can work. You can have access. They can have access to your network, and you can monitor them. You can monitor the activity on that, and you can keep all your information about your company very proprietary, which is great. So what you would do is you would basically leverage iTunes, but then you're going through this whole process of installing Windows 11, and then you're installing all the software, and that could take forever, right? So using some automation, iTunes and Office 365 infrastructure, it really helps where you're building this package, and this package will automatically go out to these computers. So let's say you have these 2 additional computers, it'll erase them, and it'll install all your predefined Windows applications, all that. And that makes it super easy, right? So one drive where it just does a clean install. You don't have to spend hours of working on each laptop individually and doing all the install and so forth. So in a future video, what I'm going to do, that would be something really great. I could walk through and explain a faster way, but at the core, just walking you through steps on installing this. Again, these updates to take a little bit long. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and speed this up. Okay, it finished, and we got to name your device section. And I'm a big Star Trek fan, so I'm going to call this the Enterprise. All right, I'm going to click Next. Name my device. If it takes a little bit longer than usual, I'm going to go ahead and pause the actual recording, so I could this will speed up again and fast track it for you guys, so you don't have to wait. All right, so it's 3rd restart, which is good. We could see here. And let's see. Yeah, all right, so this is going to take, again, a little bit. And I don't know if you notice, this is a lot slower than it is installing on Microsoft Windows Server 2025. So, but let me go ahead and pause and speed this up. Okay, we reached here. Now I'm going to use this for personal use or school or work. I'll click, let me click school work. Let me click that. Let's set up your school. Actually, I shouldn't have did that. You know what? Let me back out. I set it for personal. Right. But that was pretty cool. That use case you can see there where it's going to ask for your company email address. I didn't want to do any of those things. Now check it for Windows updates. A little frustrating, but it's going to go through and make sure all your security updates, everything is updated. And they're good. Again, I'm going to go ahead and pause. I want to speed through this. Okay, went through the updates, and here we are. Now, this is going to try to force me to sign in. I don't want to sign in, but let me sign in options. Let me see. Forgot my username. Oh, that's pretty cool. Recovery username. I got it. Nice, good. Let me try to, if I can remember my username and password, I can sign in. I'm going to try this. Doesn't work. I'll probably create one. You know what? Let me create one. Get a new email address. I'll call it Rob 2024. Dash Enterprise. Sorry, can't spell. 24. Let's try that. Perfect. I'll say something like, you know, all right. This should Rob T. Just I'll make up some birthday. The first, we'll say like 2010. Oof. Why is it doing that? 2010. Let's hit next. And an alternate. I'll probably use. Oh yeah. Here. There's a lot of tedious tasks. I just spun up like a free account, right? And make sure I'm not a bot. Okay. Let's try to get this car to point all the way down and hit submit. Try again. Okay. Guess I was a little off. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, and I don't know. I think that's it. All right, verification complete. Good job. All right, this is taking a little long. If it doesn't speed up, I'm going to pause it to speed this up on your end. So yeah. Oh, wait. Windows is turning into this really long journey. Create a pin. Yeah, let me create a pin. Let me do that. It spins up this account. Again, this thing is taking a lot longer. Right, and then I'm going to go click accept. All right, yeah, again, this is taking a lot longer than I expected. So I am going to, hi Rob, bring folder, set up a new PC. Yep. So as you guys see, this is a little engaged. This is really awesome. You go through this whole process, but there's just a lot of adding in some information. I'm waiting for it to get all set up, get it all running. So it's a little agitating. You only have to do it one time, so which is fun. Right. And this is taking a little longer. Every time I say that, I'm about to pause it. It'll cycle through. So again, I'm going to pause it, speed this up. Okay, so we are back. I'm going to do a skip right there. Sped that up. I'm going to skip again. This is good. This is a lot of configuration. And I'm going to skip that too. All right, access to your recent browsing data. Not now. Now, in times past, when we used to do this about 10 years ago, this process took 4 hours. Like just the first couple of screens really took a long time. So you could spend anywhere 3 to 4 hours just installing. I think it was Windows 7. Microsoft Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 8. So voila, and we have completed. I think this is awesome. We now have Windows installed and ready to go on this computer, right? And I think this is pretty amazing. So thank you so much. We went through that. As you can see here, this is an example of, screenshot. You can also see what we've done on the installation, right? So you can see that. I can say in the background pictures, we can see that one. But anyway, so thank you so much for going on this journey. I really wanted to walk you through this step, installing Windows 11, the latest update, onto a clean install, to see how long it took, all the screens you had to go through. So I hope this was helpful. By all means, leave comments below so we could, if you have any questions, leave your comments below and I'll be glad to answer them. But I wanted to thank you so much for going on this journey with me today. And by all means, have a wonderful evening. Thanks. Bye.